Welcome people, welcome back. It done is your boy Kamani Brown, and yes people, iPhone 16 Pro Max on deck as you saw in my previous video. Now as usual, every single year I like to speak about the recommended accessories that I personally chose to use and protect my phone as I use it on the daily for the year, right? And this is my chosen case brand of choice. ESR last year it was Taurus. People, this is not sponsored. Let me get that out of the way. Bought this with my own money, and this is their hybrid case with this stash stand. Now let's just get straight into the box. Just pull this out here. It's unboxing, of course. Now I like to do that on camera. And here she is. There's nothing else in here except for, let's see, a card showing their notable flagship products here. Hopefully I can check out more of them. Hopefully they see this video and sponsor me. But anyway, no need for that. And let's put this box down here for a second and get a look at the case herself. And yeah guys, first impressions, this case is not quite hard shell, but it's not definitely not soft either. Definitely has heft and is definitely one of the tougher clear cases that I have ever seen or felt. And I like this. I'll never wrap my phone naked for obvious reasons. Can't afford to have more than one at a time per year. And this is as close as I will get. Notable features. Of course, it has MagSafe. ESR promises that this is the strongest MagSafe magnet you will feel on any case. They made it thinner here at the back, while at the same time giving it the same level or similar level of protection of the regular case line that they're known for. Of course, you have bumper guards right here on all four corners, raised edges here to protect your screen, and the back glass on all four corners on both sides of the case, which is always a nice touch. And of course, a cutout for the camera button, nice and recessed so that the camera button can be easily accessed, but we'll soon get to that once you put the phone in here. And yeah, of course, this here, the stash stand. This is not my first time experiencing their stash stand. I've used one of their cases back with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which had it got yellow after a while. So hopefully it doesn't happen with this. But yeah, the thing about this, I will say from my past experience, is that it gives excellent camera lens protection. It gives significant height over the camera lens. You'll soon see that when I put the phone in there. And nothing beats metal. So no flexing. Trust me, a camera is protected. You don't need those cheap, worthless camera guard things that people stick on the camera lenses that ruin the picture quality. You don't need that with this. This will give you all the protection you need and then some. And it also gives you a nice kickstand here that allows your phone to stay horizontally, and it's very firm and it stays firm for the entire time that I had it. It didn't get any looser, which is good. I don't know what kind of premium metal they use or what kind of, springs or whatever mechanism they use for the hinge, but it's very durable and there is definitely no degradation at all over the year. So I have no doubt this thing is good. Now let's just get the phone in there as well. Let's see how she fits. Fits like a glove. And here she is in there, nice and clean and pristine. And look at this, you can actually see the phone. It's true beauty. All of the colors, two colors. You have a sort of sandy gold color here on the rails, and here you have this iridescent sandy kind of color. I don't know how to describe it. It's close to the gold of old for the iPhone 12, 13 and 14, and it feels very solid. It doesn't add too much bulk, but you can see that it adds very good protection because you can actually see how thick it actually is at the corners, which is very good. And the camera button here, guys, is a button. I'm going to forever be calling this thing a button. The camera control button here feels perfect. This is a nice recessed hole here, and actually it makes the camera control button feel even better. Like, it was flush with the phone before and like I had trouble feeling around for it, but this actually perfects it a bit. Now, I don't have the biggest hands in the world, especially for being a guy, but yeah, this definitely does a trick. I do wish it was a bit lower, but I understand they wanted it to also work in portrait mode, and having it here in portrait mode, yes, this case perfects it. It gives a nice natural feeling here, nice perfect resting area for your thumb. But yeah, my finger feels at home right here in portrait mode, and I just double click it. I have it set to double click. It opens right up, and here you go. Give it a soft half press there, and it opens up the camera controls there, and you can easily switch between whatever menu you want to go to next. It's very nice, very, very nice. And you can just simply take your picture, hold it down, record a video, take a picture. It's very nice. I'm still getting used to it. My muscle memory is catching up, but really and truly I love using this button. Really adds to the experience, and let's see what they do next year. But yeah, this case, I feel confident doing this with it. I'm not going to do any drop test, people. Watch the other more better paid YouTubers who can afford to destroy these things. This is my one and only phone for the next year. I can't even afford the flagship S24 Ultra. Subscribe, guys, and like my videos. I hope to get there one day. But that's all I really have to say. I love this case so far. My only fear is how it will hold up with yellowing throughout the year. However, ESR has a plethora of these things. They have, you know, the frosted black, the frosted clear, they have pink rails, black rails, gray around the rails here. They have pretty much any color that you would need to suit your style. And yeah, they never miss yet again. I mean, look at the cutouts here. They're super precise between the USB-C port here, the speaker grills, and you already saw the camera control button cutout here. This nice and recessed place here, fit for your finger. Power button / lock button, the volume rockers and the action button. Everything is perfectly in place. Everything is clicky, 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 clicky. Feels natural, and that's it. You know you can't go wrong with ESR. And Taurus, they're also my favorite, as you heard before. And yet again, the camera guard right here, look how high above. You don't even see the cameras anymore. Very high. So you can put your phone down with confidence. Actually doesn't allow it to wobble either. No wobbling whatsoever. Well, unless you go up here, you'll have wobble up here. But whatever, why the hell are you reaching up here anyway in the first place? But it's good. And of course, the stash stand here, which, give me a moment, which truly comes into its own with a MagSafe puck, regardless of whatever brand you choose. You slap it on there, and yep, you can use your phone in landscape mode. You can adjust the angle any way you want. You can use it without any form of interference here. A lot of the other cases with kickstands right here prevent you from properly using the MagSafe on the back of your phone here to charge it and whatever. So yeah, very nice touch, and it feels very solid. You can adjust it to as many angles as you like. Very nice case, very solid case, beautiful case really. And I highly, this magnet is hella strong. You guys see me trying to get it off. I had to fight to get it off. They weren't kidding. Yeah, this thing is legit. Right, so that's it, people. I mean, check it out. It's nice and affordable, excellent price, better price than the OEM ones from Apple themselves. And they did not skimp on the protection, the form and function. Yeah, you can't go wrong with this. So check it out in my link in the description below and in my pinned comment. And once again, people, thanks again for tuning in. You don't know, I'll appreciate a like, subscribe, and of course hitting that little notification bell so you know when the next video is out. See you guys in the next one. I'm actually going to be doing a review on this. This is my screen protector of choice for this year as well, from, you guessed it, ESR, their ultra tempered glass screen protector. with this very overkill but they claim foolproof way of installing them. I might do what MKHB did and did the whole blindfold testing, but who knows. Let's see what. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to do that, but check out the next video, people. I'll be doing a full-on review and installation. If it's as simple as they claim it is here on the back, a 3-step process, it should be a quick video and should be a good one. So see you guys in the next one, people. Peace out and take care.